So I just finished the last new thing of my bootcamp in the back end. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to day 38. I am late on this video. It's been a long last week, man. A lot of life stuff happening. But what I really want to talk about today is I just wrapped up the last new thing I'm going to be doing in my bootcamp. This full stack solo project that I just made my series about last week. That was the last new thing. From here on out, as I understand it, it's just going to be repetition and practice and practice and practice. So we have a personal assessment coming up this week. We have our SWE at the end of this month. That's pretty much it. So you might be asking yourself, like, why am I even bringing this up? Like, why am I talking about this? Why am I not doing my regular video of like the time lapses and the different angles and all that stuff? I guess I kind of want to talk about what's next. More specifically, what's next for me. And just because the curriculum might be ending or we're not learning any new topics per se, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be learning throughout these last 3-4 months of my camp. And what I really think I want to do is I want to get as much rep with C# and .NET as I can, maybe even dive into a little Python, because the more I do backend, as frustrating as it makes me, the more I kind of want to go for that route with my career. And throughout this entire series so far, you've seen me looking and applying for front-end positions, and that's still true. I'm looking for whatever first position I can get so I can learn more. But if I had to pick one, I'm probably going for backend. I don't know what it is. There's something about an object-oriented language that just it hits in my brain. My first ever real coding language that I got into a couple of years ago was Java. And as much as I hated it when I first started, I think that's what's clicked the most in my brain since then. If you've seen any of my videos lately, you might have heard me talk about how obsessed I've been with agents and scrapers and LLMs and all that stuff. The more and more I dig into it, the more and more I kind of want to build those things myself. Just this past week, I just did a paired programming session with Adam Tomitz, and it was a blast. Within an hour, we had a POC of a quiz generator that you could pick a level, you could pick a language, and then it would generate you a short, like 5-question quiz that you could take, almost like prepping for a technical interview. And really, I just wanted to give a shout out to Adam, because that was really my first introduction into building something with someone else and just kind of getting my hands on AI. And I know it's kind of a controversial topic right now, and I don't really want to get into that, but I really do think AI is going to be here for the long haul in tech. Whatever that role it might play, I don't think it's going anywhere. I kind of want to get my hands on it now, learn how it works, build with it, try to build it, so that way I can future-proof my career. And really, that's it. I just had that on my mind a lot this weekend, and I kind of wanted to share. So if anybody has any thoughts or comments, please let me know down below. Hit me in the DMs. Would love to chat. Oh yeah, and I have my personal assessment this week, so wish your boy luck on that. But with